Hello, Wyoming. This is your weather briefing. Today is June 5th. I'm Jason with the National Weather Service in Riverton. Last weekend was an active weekend with several areas seeing showers and thunderstorms. We even had a waterspout tornado reported on Dollar Lake in northern Sublette County. At 8,000 feet, this makes it the highest waterspout ever reported. Will we see active weather this weekend? Let's take a look. Generally, this weekend is expected to be cool, with highs in the 60s and 70s, and with widespread showers and thunderstorms, some producing gusty winds and small hail at times. In addition, areas across the north above 8,500 feet could see snow Friday night into Saturday morning, and again Saturday night into Sunday morning. By next week, we return to near normal to slightly above normal temperatures of 70s and 80s. However, by midweek, we see the return of isolated to scattered thunderstorms. You may be asking yourself, did he really just say snow? Well, we do have some cold Canadian air coming down this weekend, bringing chances of snow across the northern mountains, generally above 8,500 feet. Some areas could see 1 to 3 inches through the weekend. If you have plans of camping or hiking in these higher elevations, please prepare for changing weather conditions. Let's take a look at what's causing this active weather this weekend. On Friday, we have a disturbance with a cold front pushing down, bringing widespread chances of showers and thunderstorms. And if you take a look at this red dashed line, we are in the general risk from the Storm Prediction Center for storms. Gusty winds and small hail will be possible. With this cold front, we could also see some snow across those higher elevations in the north Friday night into Saturday morning. Looking into Saturday, the cold front stalls across Wyoming with a weak disturbance, returning isolated showers and thunderstorms. Some gusty wind and small hail is also possible. Again, we notice that we are in the general risk from the Storm Prediction Center for thunderstorms. And looking into Sunday, we see another disturbance pushing through with a cold front. And take a look at these blue lines. These are temperature at the 700 millibar level. And notice how they drop below freezing, which is where our chances of snow across the north will come Saturday night into Sunday morning. Again, that will be above 8,500 feet. Taking a look upstream, we see a ridge starting to develop, which will bring quiet start to the week ahead. However, by Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday, a few weak disturbances could return chances for showers and thunderstorms. Here's a look at our expected high temperatures for the weekend through next week. We do notice that we are kind of below normal this weekend in 60s and 70s. However, we spike back up to near to slightly above normal with 70s and 80s by mid next week. Here's our long range outlook. We have near normal temperatures with slightly below normal precipitation expected for June 12th or June 18th. Last weekend we had flooding concerns. This weekend those river levels should diminish. However, a few areas could be in action stage, especially along the Wind River and in the Green River. For more information on flood and river levels, please check the Rivers and Lakes tab on our website. We're almost starting to get to fire weather season. Let's take a look at our fire weather outlook for the coming weekend into next week. With active weather this weekend, we aren't expecting too many concerns. However, by mid next week, warm and breezing conditions could elevate the fire concerns across southern Wyoming. We leave you with some thunderstorm safety tips. Remember, if you hear thunder, go indoors. Be sure to monitor your latest weather forecast and if there are any warnings or watches. And if you have any questions or if you see any severe weather, please give us a call anytime. Or you can find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.